Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I have a quick core Bitcoin trade portfolio update for you guys. This is the second video I'm doing uh, for this, and I feel like I'm gonna probably do this weekly as a weekly update on my core Bitcoin trade to with the hopes of hopefully educating some of you on what my expectations are and what I'm looking for in this specific crypto as we continue through the 2025 bull run. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now, first thing I want to talk about is I'm not sure how Coinbase uh, organizes their information because down here it shows that my all-time returns for this specific trade since I've opened it is actually 11,794. That's wrong because if I have here on Coinbase on the app, um, it shows, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it shows that I'm actually down $9,500. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Uh, Either way, since I've opened this recent trade, I'm actually down 9,500. I'm not sure how they calculate that. I invested. So if you guys didn't see my last video, I invested $80,000 into Bitcoin at the this price is actually correct, $70,119.13. Makes up 100% of this specific portfolio right here. Again, the goal is to make weekly updates and hopefully keep a lot of you motivated to hold on to Bitcoin as we continue through this bull market in this bull run. So let's go ahead and break this down. Again, $80,000 invested at 70,119. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at $61,776 as of recording, and our portfolio is currently worth $70,365. So we are down a little over 9.5, or a little over down a little over $9,000 as of this moment on this swing trade. I do plan on holding this swing trade for the remainder of this bull market, at least when Bitcoin reaches $100,000 towards the end of this year. That's when I plan to slowly start shaving a little bit of my portfolio. You see, right here it says all time. This is also incorrect because I'm gonna take a quick screen. Actually, I'm gonna go to that tab in a moment. But as we go further into the $100,000 range or more above that, I'm gonna slowly shave off some Bitcoin to confirm a lot of my my gains, or at least so not paper anymore and they're realized. I'm not sure why it says 10,893 all time. Because, and I'm hoping no sensitive information pops up. I'm hoping no sensitive information is on here, but I'm actually have a realized gains of 17,895 on this portfolio. So I'm not sure how Coinbase is calculating this stuff. It doesn't really make too much sense to me. But we are down almost $10,000 on this trade, and I have some things I want to go over with you guys. I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow on this chart right here and what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do as we make our way towards new all-time highs in here in 2024. So keep up, or at least keep up with the channel, guys, so you can see what I'm gonna be talking about there. But a lot of people are confused on why Bitcoin is selling off, why we're seeing this sell off right here. Uh, Besides the technical analysis aspect of this, or the answer to this question, which we're going to get into tomorrow, the more news driven answer is Mt. Gox has this $9 billion worth of Bitcoin they're going to be giving out as repayments. And, there are some questions of like, well, are these people going to hold on to it or sell it? And if they do sell, how much of this 9 billion is going to be sold? There's a lot of people, excuse me, there's a lot of people out there like Cryptos or Else. I love his videos. He's saying that they're all long-term holders. They're not going to sell any of their Bitcoin. It doesn't make sense. And I do agree with him. I feel like if they've been holding now for like what, a decade or more, they're not going to be selling. We'll keep up with that. We'll see what happens. But this is a little bit of things that are kind of driving a lot of that market sentiment to be a little bit more in the negative short term. And then we have inflation. It's looking a little tough. It's not really going down to that 2% target that's the Federal Reserve is looking for. So I'm not really too sure what's going on here with that. But this is also something that can potentially be what's driving Bitcoin lower. And here's a little bit more of what inflation looks like. So this graph, if you guys can look at it, it's kind of self-explanatory where we're at right now. Currently, 3.3% actual. So we're kind of hovering around this area after dropping a significant amount. And then finally, we can look forward to July 11th for the next inflation report, and of course we're going to see how this will influence the Federal Reserve to, what they're going to do with rates, or if they're going to say something really positive or really negative. We have no idea, but we have that date there to look forward to on, where inflation is going. Hopefully it's dropping. That way we can go ahead and lower those interest rates, and we can start pumping markets aggressively, and we can all make some money with crypto. But hopefully I taught you guys something there of a little bit of news updates. So yeah, we currently are down just about $10,000 on this core Bitcoin swing trade. Of course, we're gonna DCA into it a little bit more. I plan to add another $5,000 or $10,000 on top of the $80,000 I invested probably at the start of the fourth quarter this year. So sometimes in September I'll probably add another 5 or 10,000 on there. But we'll see where the price is at around there. It might not be down here anymore. It might be up there. I'm not too worried about it because I don't plan to start selling this swing trade. I don't plan to start selling any of it until we reach $100,000 at least, and then slowly shave them off as we make these conservative bull market highs of like close to $150,000. So yeah, guys, a week from now I will have another update video on this specific portfolio or this swing trade. And tomorrow I'm making a detailed update on what I'm looking for within these price structures I have drawn here. So hope you guys have a great day and take care.